Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to crop in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, let's begin. First, if you want to crop the artboard itself, select the Artboard tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. If you don't see it, click the three dots at the bottom of the toolbar to view all available tools and choose Artboard tool. Once selected, click on the artboard you want to modify and drag the corners or edges to adjust its size. The artboard will be cropped to the new dimensions automatically. If you want to crop an image, the process is different. Simply resizing the image will not crop it. It only changes the image size. To properly crop an image, start by selecting the image on your artboard. Next, go to the Object menu at the top of the screen. Hover over Clipping Mask and select Make. This creates a clipping mask that hides the unwanted parts of the image while keeping the original file intact. After applying the clipping mask, adjust the mask boundaries to control exactly which part of the image remains visible. This allows you to crop the image precisely to your desired area. So that's basically how you can crop in Adobe Illustrator. That's it for this video. Thanks!